Hi everyone, this is Katie and this is my last China video here in this travel series. So today we are in Yangshuo for a few days exploring, eating and taking in the beautiful nature here. So Yangshuo is not too far from Guilin and it is surrounded by these incredible karst landscapes. The town itself is quite touristy, but you will see later in this video the streets can be busy, but there are lots of Western restaurants and brands that you may recognise, making it an easier place to visit, but there's also many beautiful things around here to see and do as well. So the cutest thing just happened. We were just walking along the street and this group of like 6 Chinese children, and I'm guessing it was their teacher, came up to us and asked us if they could ask us some questions, if they could do us an interview. And their teacher explained they were at a summer camp for English speaking, and they'd come all the way to Yangshuo so that they could ask tourist questions. Of course, we wanted to try the local food here, so we found a cute restaurant and tried some Guilin rice noodles. These were different to other noodles we had had in China. The broth was thick and it was topped with nuts as well. We also tried a local snack, taro fries. We then enjoyed a cup of Chinese tea on the balcony in our hotel. I love that most hotels, especially these more like boutique hotels in China, have little tea sets that you can have some Chinese tea. It's a nice little experience. We enjoyed the rest of our one day in Yangshuo and finished off the evening escaping the rain and eating beer fish. So that is the end of our China travel series. We loved visiting these cities and towns in China, and we would highly recommend anyone who wants to go and visit or live in China to go and give it a go. It really is a unique experience. And thank you so much for your love and support with these vlogs. I am so excited that we have now over 1,000 of you in this little community here on YouTube, and I can't wait for our next adventure together. So make sure you hit subscribe, because in our next video, I'm going to tell you our disaster. So we were moving, it didn't happen. I will explain it all in the next video, but then stay tuned, because the video after that I will be telling you where we are now moving to. Hit subscribe, we shall start this adventure together. Take care guys, thank you for watching, thank you for all your love and support, and I shall see you very soon. Bye.